Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked which of the following expressions is equivalent to 16x to the sixth minus 24x cubed y cubed plus 9y to the sixth. So in all of these expressions, we have something minus something to a power. So let's just say we have a minus b. All right, a minus b to the first power is just a minus b, it's just itself. A minus b to the second power, if we do some distribution, it's going to be a times a, it's a squared, minus b times a minus another b times a is minus 2ba, and then negative b times negative b is plus b squared. Next, if we have a minus b times a minus b times a minus b, just putting that in, then we have a cubed minus 2ba squared minus another ba squared is minus 3ba squared plus ab squared plus 2ab squared is plus 3ab squared. And then finally, negative b times b squared is minus b cubed. So if you notice, we have 2 terms in this one, we have 3 terms in this one, and we have 4 terms in this one. And as we continue going along, right, this is to the first power, to the second power, to the third power. As we continue going up, there's going to be more and more terms. So if this has 2 terms, this has 3 terms, and this has 4 terms, and our expression given here only has 3 terms, we know that it has to be a binomial, right? Something minus something, or something plus something, but these are all minus, to the second power. Why do we go through all of this effort just to eliminate these 2? Well, because if you wanted to calculate 4x minus 3y to the sixth, it would take you a very long time. And we want to eliminate that off the bat and just get it down to b and c. So, which one is equivalent? Well, now we just have 2 things that are squared. We can just FOIL them out and get our answer. So let's test out b. We have 16x cubed minus 9y cubed times 16x cubed minus 9y cubed, since it's just squared. And now we can distribute. So 16 times 16 is 256, x to the sixth, minus 16 times 9, which is 144, minus another 16 times 9, that's another minus 144, so in total it's minus 288, x cubed, and then finally negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81, y cubed times y cubed is y to the sixth. So 256x to the sixth minus 288x cubed y cubed plus 81y to the sixth. These numbers are way bigger, this is not equivalent, and b is not your answer. Just for the sake of it, I will factor out c, but if you were on the test, you just put in c as your answer because you know on a multiple choice, if it's not a, b, and d, it has to be c. But we can just distribute anyways. We have 4x cubed minus 3y cubed times itself. So we have 4x cubed times 4x cubed is 16. X cubed is x to the sixth. If you're wondering how I got x to the sixth, if you're multiplying a certain number of x's by another number of x's, you just add the exponents. So x to the third times x to the third is equal to x to the 3 plus 3. So then for x cubed y cubed, we have minus 12 and then minus another 12. So minus 24, x cubed y cubed, and then negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9y to the sixth. Again, you're just adding the exponents. And this does line up with this, so c is equivalent to it, and c is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.